Question 15. Given the following graphs f of x and g of x, sketch the graph of f of x plus g of x. So this is a graph of a summation of two functions. So we can do that. I prefer to use a table of values. So we'll set up a table of values and record all our y values and x values, and then we'll proceed from there. So I got two graphs, so I have two y values in my function. So I'll look at f of x first. The first point, as you can see, is back 2 and down 2, so -2, -2. The second point is -1, -1, 0, 0. Continuing on, 1, 1, and then it flattens out. We got a 2, 1. We got a 3, 1. And then we got a 4, 1. So, and how far does it go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It'll go all the way to 6. Not sure if we're going to need all these values, but I'll put in 5, 1, and 6, 1. So that's my first graph with the appropriate values. Now I'm going to look at my second graph. So I got a -2. Starts in the same place, so I'll do this in red. -2, 0, and then I got a -1, 2, and then at 0 it reaches its maximum at 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes 1, 3, continuing to fall, 2, 2, 3, 1, and its last point is 4, 0. So basically our function f of x plus g of x is just going to be the sum, right, of our two y values here. We don't need to worry about the part that's not included. So if we have no value under g of x, we cannot sum one with nothing, but we can sum the other ones. So -2, so let me first write out what we're getting here. So we are getting f plus g. So -2 plus 0 is -2. -1 plus 2 is 1. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So that is our point. So now we need to just plot all these points on our graph, right? So of course, when we do this, we're matching up the x values with the y values all the way down. So -2, -2 is right here. -1, -1 is right here. Sorry, my mistake there. -2, -2. Our second point is -1, +1. So we'll put that right here approximately. Our third point is, 0, 4. So we're going 0 all the way up to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So approximately right here. Then we're at 1, 4. And then we're going to 2, 3. And 3, 2. And finally, we're ending at 4, 1. So, to draw this, we want to connect all the points. On your exam, I would suggest you use a ruler. For me, it's going to be actually rather difficult for me to draw this on my tablet. but I'm going to try. So I'm going a straight line connecting the first 3 points. Then I'm going straight over 1 unit, a little bit too high there. And then I'm connecting the last 3. So that's my attempt. I'd like to bring that little line down a bit, but use a ruler on your exam and don't lose any marks that you don't need to lose. Just to be safe, let's write in the coordinates here. -2, -2. Up here is 0, 4. This other important point is 1, 4. And we're just getting these points from our table of values down below. And this ending point is 4, 1, just to make sure they know we're doing it right.